So we've all seen what Meta can do with an iconic brand like Ray-Ban. But what happens when you take that same smart DNA and inject it into a frame built for performance, speed, and the outdoors? These are the Oakley Meta Vanguards, and today we're gonna unbox them, test the optics, and see if they're really the ultimate pair of smart glasses for the active professional. Oakley usually has a more utilitarian packaging, but you can tell that Meta had a hand in this. It feels clean, and you can tell that there's a design philosophy going on here. We've got some extra nose pads, we've got the warranty, the user manual, a nice microfiber cloth pouch, and then of course the charging case with the glasses inside. Unlike the leather style Ray-Ban cases, these have a more matte hard shell feel. And inside, of course, we have the Vanguards themselves. I'm rocking two different versions today, one with the black frame and the Prizm Road lenses, and the other the white frame with the Prizm Sapphire lenses. First impressions, well, these actually feel incredibly light. And that is thanks to Oakley's O-Matter stress-resistant material, which is a pretty big deal to be used with these glasses because smart glasses can be a little bit on the heavier side with all the internals going on. But these feel surprisingly balanced. The Vanguard features a wraparound silhouette, which Oakley fans will recognize immediately. It's a bit more aggressive than, let's say, the Wayfarer design, but they're designed to stay on your face nice and snug, whether you're biking or just doing something simple like going out on a run. You've got a 12 megapixel camera sitting right in the middle of the frame, a 5 microphone array for spatial audio, and open ear speakers in the temple bars. After testing Meta glasses in several of our previous videos, I can say that the speakers actually sound pretty good. Because they're nice and close to your ears, they actually sound like you're wearing headphones, and they don't really leak audio that much, which some might be concerned, playing music like in public. The mics sound good. I mean, they sound just as good as if you were using your smartphone. And the camera takes great photos and videos. It's obviously not like DSLR camera quality, and the phones have come a long way over the years, but for those like quick moments, quick snaps that you want to capture, it's surprisingly better than you would expect, especially considering the 10-15 years of development that smart glasses have gone through and how far we've come. Pairing these with the phone is also seamless. Once you're in the MetaView app, you can access the AI. You can just say, hey Meta, look and tell me what I'm seeing, and it will identify landmarks, translate signs, or give you training tips if you're looking at your gear. As for the actual video and photo specs, these can capture up to 3K 60 frame per second video with impressive stabilization, and that's actually come a long way from the original Meta Ray-Ban glasses, which can only shoot at 1080p, I believe. For athletes or creators, having this kind of POV without needing to use like a GoPro strapped to your head or something is honestly a complete game changer. It makes it super easy to do. Just to quickly break down the rest of the tech specs, these glasses have batteries in them that can last up to 6 hours when performing audio playback, 9 hours during typical daily use, have 45-minute fast charging, and the charging case can hold up to 36 hours of additional power. Like I kind of mentioned before, these feature Oakley Prizm lenses, which if you haven't tried before, you're missing out. I use these on a day-to-day basis. They make colors pop, they add great contrast, especially if you're someone that rides on trails a lot. No matter what kind of road or terrain you're riding on, the optics of these glasses are exactly what you would expect from a high-end pair of performance shades. And that's a rare moment, I think. These glasses don't make you compromise on lens quality or build quality to get those smart features. You're getting everything all in one. So, who are these for? If you're an Oakley loyalist who wants to stay in the moment without taking your phone out to capture photos or video, or if you're an athlete who wants to capture POV content without the bulk of a dedicated action camera, then the Meta Vanguards are perfect for you. They're sleek, rugged, and arguably the most wearable smart tech that we've seen thus far. If you're interested in grabbing a pair of the Oakley Meta Vanguard glasses, click the link down below where you'll find these and hundreds of other glasses at the best price possible.